In today's world, pest management must go beyond simple elimination. It must protect public health, preserve the environment, and contribute to long-term sustainability. Government agencies, nonprofits, environmental consulting firms, and academic institutions all face a common challenge: how to manage pests effectively while minimizing chemical use and safeguarding the communities they serve. At Ecological Engineers, we specialize in transforming traditional pest management into forward-thinking science-based strategies. Our approach begins with structural pest control and extends to sustainable landscape management, reducing pesticide reliance across federal and public sector agencies. By minimizing chemical dependency, we help lower the costs of pesticide applications, reduce the need for certified applicators, and support DOJE broader goals for operational efficiency. More importantly, we prioritize human health, recognizing that pesticide exposure is linked to well-documented and serious health concerns. Our work aligns with the MAHA agenda, significantly reducing toxic exposure in government-managed environments and promoting healthier communities. We collaborate with public agencies, academic researchers, and environmental leaders to design and implement non-toxic, sustainable pest solutions that don't compromise public health or ecological integrity. Our programs support regulatory compliance, restore ecological balance, and foster long-term community resilience. Partner with Ecological Engineers to lead the shift toward responsible pest management, one that protects people, restores ecosystems, and champions sustainability as the new standard.